Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap SUI to USDT on Bybit. Alright, so your first step would be to open up the Bybit centralized exchange. Make sure you have an account. If you do not, use our link in the description. Alright, so you're here. How can you swap your SUI tokens into the USDT on Bybit? Click on the deposit icon you find on the home screen. Go down and select the deposit crypto option and use the search at the top of the screen to simply search for SUI and then click on SUI. And then go ahead and click on the SUI chain and deposit on this chain. So guys, once you've deposited your SUI tokens on the Bybit application, simply click on the convert icon you find on your screen. So click on convert. If you can't find the convert icon, where we have the more icon, click on more. So under the trade section, you'll find convert here, where you can click on convert, and where we have BTC to USDT, replace it with the SUI token you have on your wallet by using the search icon to search for SUI. Click on SUI and then enter an amount of SUI tokens you wish to convert to USDT. Click on quotes and then go ahead to convert. So guys, once you've done that, head to the assets menu, perform a reload, check your funding or your unified trading balance, and you'll find your SUI tokens there. Alright guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.